the farm. Can I hear a Going to See the Cows song from William?
Going to see the cows. Cows, cows, cows. We're going to see the cows.
Very nice. More pretty scenery. Time to go to the mountain again. That's Daddy.
Daddy.
Do it again, Daddy. So that's just what people do in tunnels? We're almost there. This is the beautiful farmland. And the farm bell. You gotta have a farm bell. Okay. You see the cows? Cows, come here. And then we have apples to feed them. Here they come. They know the deal. Oh, look at them. Hi. Hey, babies. Hi.
Look.
You want some apples?
Look.
Hi there, sweetheart. Hi. I don't have any apples yet. It's okay. They want. Like, this just boggles my mind. How they all come. Ready to feed them, Lizzie?
That's him coming. Ah, you got that too. Fast to find them.
They seem to be their track in the mornings as well.
Lately they've been down here.
Angela's got the food. They are pro food. Do you like the cows, Lizzie?
Yes.
Yes. Time to move. It's a baby.
This a baby.
Couple days old. See you soon. The food's gone. They're making their way back to the pasture or field or whatever farm people call it. I don't know, but I just love it here. You back? Say bye, cows.
Bye, cows.
They're interested in the chickens.
Ready?
Who's going to eat them? That's going to eat them.
3 eggs and 2 golf balls. Clearly there's a story there. That's why. Here's my question. Why golf balls?
I gotta wash it.
Mama Hen, the little one as we call her.
I gotta wash it.
Oh, no, you don't wash eggs. She is the only one that wants to set to raise babies. And of course, we don't have a rooster, so the eggs are not fertile. So I keep taking the eggs away, but I leave the golf balls.
That's very sweet.
We're going to get some this year.
What you got?
An egg.
Very cool.
A chicken egg.
Awesome. Lizzie, can we see your egg?
Yay! This one. Egg.
Cool.
It's just like a dinosaur egg.
Just like a dinosaur egg?
Yeah. This egg is like the same size of the Brachiosaurus egg.
Wild times at the Parker Farm. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Dinner!
But like I say, if we'd have built our house back over yonder where we always talked about,
We're on a hike. Methinks Antoine got the better deal. He's riding the tractor.
Papa, no white tractor.
Hey, Brian.
We're going hiking in my ancestral land.
I'm not a big fan of hiking.
No, Papa, no.
I just want to go back to the cows.
Oh.
They never stop being insanely cute. Oh, baby cows.
And somehow this pond never really got going.
Oh, Dingy! You call him Dingy? Say Dingy. What's up, girls? Can you tell the Dingy story?
Tell the Dingy story.
Which came from a house got her name?
Yeah. Dingy is an orphan calf. Dingy's mama prolapsed when she was giving birth and had paralysis, and we tried to save her by swinging her, and we'd get her up every day and swing her, see if her legs would come back, but they didn't. So she had to be sacrificed naturally, and Dingy then became an orphan, and we bottle fed her. And one day we were at the barn, and Dingy got excited about something.
the bull.
The bull came in. Yeah, she got excited, and she was in the catch pen, and took off running and ran straight into the wooden fence, knocked her out cold. We thought, oh, Dingy's gone.
Yeah, the cow's gone.
The cow's gone. So we got her up and staggered her around and what have you, and she came back. Her senses came back to her, and she waddled off, and we named her Dingy. So that's the history of Dingy. She's been on the farm her whole life, and
And we'll stay here.
yeah, and we'll stay here. She's soon to be 20 years old.
Going uphill.